Yo, these brakes are legit, dog. It's really quick. This bike is really fast.
Experience power and versatility unlike any e-bike you've ever seen. Meet More Bikes. Designed from the ground up, More takes all the best features in existing e-bikes and enhances them with industry firsts. Full 100mm front and back suspension, fat tires, aircraft-grade aluminum, smooth power control, Shimano gears, hidden cables, disc brakes, and an incredible selection of the strongest mid-drive and rear hub motors available. Turn your commute into a daily joyride. More Bikes makes it easy to cut through hectic traffic and save money on gas, all while making your commute fun. Seriously, try to frown on one of these.
It was fast. It was really fast. It was faster than I thought it would be.
More can go up to 31 miles per hour, boasts a battery life that reaches up to 80 miles, climbs grades up to 25%, and can tow an SUV. That's right, an SUV. More features a removable front wheel and folds perfectly in half, making it easy to bring with you. Fit it in the trunk of your car and hit the road, or take it off the road for some serious action. This bike is powerful, real powerful. With fat tires and dual suspension, More Bikes can ride on any terrain and still handle like a boss. Take every bump, curb, and pothole. More comes with built-in innovative safety features, such as dual headlights twice as powerful as industry standards, turn signal lights to let cars and vehicles know where you are and where you're going, an electric horn to let people know you're coming. You won't find a safer e-bike. More power and more fun than any other e-bike in the market. Back our campaign today and change the way you commute forever.
Your beer has a new best friend. That's Scott, and his job is to keep things from being hot, which is hard when you look this good. That's why he created Beer Buddy, the world's first all-in-one beverage insulator. What makes it so great? I'm glad you asked. Beer Buddy keeps your drink cold for hours and hours and hours. Don't get caught with a lukewarm beer in your hands. There's nothing worse than trying to relax on a hot day and realizing your beer is now the temperature of bath water.
This is worse than my divorce.
Others have made this possible before us, but you need to buy one for your bottle, another for your can, and oh great, now they make a skinny tall can? What if I just want to keep coffee in it? That doesn't even come in a thing. Beer Buddy is the first all-in-one insulator to fit your bottle, odd-shaped bottle, can, skinny can, in-between size can, and liquid beverage. You probably have one or more of these things laying around that you just are not happy with, like that leaking top on the so-called leak-proof tumbler lid. Nobody likes a leaky faucet. We solve that problem too. Our drinking lid is 100% leak-proof. Gotcha. We've spent hundreds of hours designing the absolute best beverage insulator out of frustration for no single solution design. No other product exists like this on the market. Beer Buddy holds all shapes and sizes so you can stay drunker longer. Beer Buddy has double vacuum sealed insulated walls, designed to maintain the current beverage temperature no matter the conditions outside. Our secret is our patent-pending stacked interior, which is form-fitted perfectly to the bottle or can of your choice. No more carrying around clunky spacers and accessories just to hold your beer, and best of all, no more wobbly drinks. The triple-level stainless steel stack.
To another AMD mini PC review. So this one is the DMAF5 or the DAF5 from a company called Minis Forum. No, they're nothing to do with forums. It's kind of an odd name for mini PCs. Now they did send this mini PC out to me in exchange for my review here. It's a loan unit, so it's not actually mine. I'm not being paid for this review at all. So why is this one so special? Well, it's not, unfortunately, the 4000 series Ryzen chips. No, not yet. I will try to review those in the channel later on if I can get hold of them, of course. But this one has the Ryzen 5 SC3550. Okay, so that's a quad core, maximum turbo is 3.7 gigahertz. It can run up to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. So it's going to be priced, this particular model here, at $399 US. That's the early bird price on Indiegogo to get the 8GB model with 256 gigabytes of SATA 3 storage. So it does come with Intel's wireless AC. It's actually the AX200, so that's Wi-Fi 6 card. And it can run three 4K displays at 60 Hz, and it does have dual LAN on here. So it's got a lot of the things that people have been asking for, and it's got a lot of power as well. So in this review will be my typical treatment. I'll go in depth, we'll take a look at it, I'll do a lot of different tests and let you know my opinion after using this thing now for a few days and what I think of the Minis Forum, the DMAF 5. So here we have our box contents. Now I wanted to show you quickly the specs here for those of you watching on, say, a TV and you can't see the specs in the description. These are them right here, so hit pause if you want to read all of this. I'll be going through the ports on this anyway soon when we take a look at the build of this particular mini PC. The key thing is here, it does support 3 displays out, and all of them can be run at 4K 60 Hz, and 2 gigabit LAN ports on this, which you do not often see. So the power supply, this is 65 watts right here, and it's a good small size. Display port cable, we've got an HDMI cable and an EU one here. So the plug will be depending on what region you're, of course, ordering for. So if you buy this from, say, for the US, then you get a US style plug there as well. Now they do happen to include a little quick start guide, or just a guide there on it. So this basically just outlines all of those ports, the features, what you can do with it. And if you're the first, I think, 1,500 customers, they will...
The ultimate bike experience is here. Introducing the Superstrutter, the world's first unibody carbon fiber composite bike, custom made for you. Each one of our Superstrata bikes is 3D printed with continuous carbon fiber to custom fit your size, ride style, and riding experience. Our frame is made for your frame, which means it'll fit you. And you too. Our bikes are created with precision lasers and robots with quality ensured by our PhD-educated pros. That means a single unibody frame with no joints, no bolts, and no glue. Just one solid piece of industrial-grade carbon fiber. Made of the most advanced composite materials of any bike on the market, the frame is so light it weighs less than 2 water bottles. Seriously, we tested that. Our unique unibody design makes the Superstrutter more impact resistant than any other carbon fiber bike on the market. Super light, super strong, this bike is nothing short of revolutionary. Looking for upgrades? We got you covered. Underneath the strong bones is an intelligent infrastructure for power and data flowing throughout the bike. Add all the gadgets you want after the campaign, or none at all, and focus on the ride. Roads, gravel, touring, or visiting grandmother's house at the top of that really steep hill without even breaking a sweat. Our beautiful battery design fits right into your custom-fitted frame, so you can hardly tell it's an e-bike. With its lightweight frame, comfortable ride, and high-quality specs, the Superstrutter is the last bike you'll ever need. It will feel like it was made just for you, because it was.
Hi, I'm Wiener Mundesir, the CTO and co-founder of Superstrata. Carbon fiber bikes have been around for decades. They're known for being lightweight and beautiful. Unfortunately, they're also known for being fragile. One hit and your $10,000 bike, it's in pieces. We've solved that. Our engineers have built a unibody carbon fiber frame that's ultra strong and light. But don't take my word for it. Here's two-time Olympian and world record holder, Sky Christopherson.
To have a carbon bike that's light, but also really tough, is like a dream come true.
Hi, I'm Sunny Vu, CEO for Superstrata. To make the Superstrata possible, we've brought together an incredible team of materials specialists, scientists, engineers, designers. Our designer, Bill Stevens, he's an award-winning designer who's designed bikes like the ones that have won the Tour de France. Our team has shipped millions of units of products in the past, so I am confident we can deliver above your expectations. We just need your support to make this happen, so reserve your custom Superstrata today.